Good morning, babes. 3:46. Happy Martin Luther King Day. And also, we are officially 30 days away from my birthday. Pisces season. Turn up. Put my clothes on so we can get out of here because we are already late. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and do a quick little transition. That's the one right there. I'm literally gonna perfect this juice to where it tastes the same every time. Today I want to speak with you guys about basically knowing how to utilize a tool in order to initiate your weight loss. Injections such as Ozempic, procedures such as the one that I had, which is the sleeve, appetite suppressants, or anything that pretty much assists you in losing weight. You have to really understand that those are things that are temporarily assisting in your weight loss. You cannot forever take injections. You cannot forever be on appetite suppressants. Your procedure will not forever hold you. And so you have to really go into it understanding that your mindset literally have to shift in a direction towards the person that you truly want to be, which is someone that is setting into knowing the importance of discipline, habits that align with who you truly want to be. I went into my procedure knowing just that I was going to have to implement certain habits such as this one in order to maintain my weight loss, because I know that the procedure that I had, most people gain their weight back. And this is the narrative that I'm pushing, because it's just like, yes, people may say, oh, you cheated, you took a shortcut, blase, blase. But when it all boils down to it, you really have to put in the work at the end of the day. It's not something that's gonna sustain you for a long time. Whether you want to take a shortcut or not, what I'm doing today will assist you without having assistance of any injections, shots, or procedures. It is currently 4:08 and we are headed out to the gym. So let's roll. I hope it's not cold outside. Okay, so we don't have any spinach put in our green smoothie. However, the protein that I actually use has greens and protein in it. It's not giving the green smoothie vibes, but it's okay. I really need to get me some cups, because when I say cups, I need to get me some. Where you at? Oh man, get with it. Stop losing me. I need to get me some Stanley cups. Ah, the whole banana didn't even. Bruh, how? It didn't even blend. That is so funny. It don't taste too bad without it. Okay, you guys, so for the plan for today is we are off work. One of the girlies asked me to do what I eat in a day, which makes total sense. Like, duh, you are trying to show the girlies how to maintain weight. You need to show them what do you eat in a day. Now, this is going to be a challenge for me because I don't track my calories. I don't track macros. I don't track anything. I eat with intention, meaning like when I'm eating, if I'm full, I stop. I am cautious on how much sugar I am eating or how much carbs I'm eating. Like, I am mindful of those things, but I don't necessarily hold myself back from those things. I don't say, oh, I'm not gonna eat bread or I'm not gonna have any sugar. If I want it, I get it. But I'm not gonna over consume on those things, if that makes sense. Because I try to live in a mindset of something that is realistic for me. Realistically, I'm not cutting out bread. I'm not cutting out rice, and I'm damn sure not cutting out sugar. So all I can do is really just be mindful of when, how much I consume those things, if that makes any sense. So I will show you guys realistically what I do in a day to maintain, okay? Because baby, when I tell you the waist is shrinking, the waist is maintaining, okay? Matter of fact, what waist? Okay. You're not focusing. What's the opposite of multiplication? Division. So when you're trying to find n, you gotta do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. So you gotta isolate the n, right? So in order to move this over, 36 divided by 4. So now you have n by itself. Now what is 36 divided by 4? This is where knowing your multiplications comes into play. 4 times 9? 36. Okay, so what is 36 divided by 4? 9. Do you get it?
Yeah.
Is what good?
This chat.
I am a hardworking, motivated student and who is always willing to learn new skills. I am good with technology and enjoy using computers for schoolwork and projects. I also enjoy hands-on and outdoor activities, which has helped me develop teamwork, responsibility that's not supposed to be capitalized, and problem-solving skills that's not supposed to be capitalized. Playing football has taught me discipline, commitment, and how to work well with others towards a common goal. I take pride in giving my best effort in everything I do. What career path are you directing this towards? Because that will include your job skills. Is football relative to what you are applying for?
No, I'm saying football gave me discipline.
Is computer what you're going toward?
Yeah.
Okay, so you need to put more things in here related to computers. So discipline, yeah, I mean, it's a good trait, but does it direct towards computers? What's the job title? Computer engineering?
Yeah.
So let's just go towards computer engineering. What are job skills related to computer engineering? Basic problem solving, coding, hardware, stuff like that. You need to practice typing. You're welcome.
I just always miss kindness. Oh, do I have some more seeds? Why?
Girl, I just cut you some fruits up. Here. Go ask about your egg.
No, Aiden, you better hurry up! Hurry up! Get the rest of the strawberries for Aiden. Bro, I said leave the rest of him. Go!
Help you
What I told you earlier.
Because I like rice a little bit. Duh.
Girl, please.
But I need something.
What do you need?
You know what I need.
Okay, I'll give it to you. Here. Be careful, it's hot.
Okay.
Hold it like this on the outside.
Okay. I got everything right.
Grab your chair.
Thank you.
Wait. Hey, I don't want to pass that size.
I know, this one.
But Mom, don't record me.